Hey there, language enthusiasts. My name's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, a hearty welcome to our community. Here, we dive deep into the intricacies of language, grammar, and the art of effective communication. Whether you're brushing up on your skills or starting from scratch, you found the right place. In the complex world of sentence structure, direct and indirect objects are the unseen heroes, often determining the meaning and flow of our statements. Let's take a look. First, let's tackle the direct object. A direct object answers the question what or whom right after a transitive verb. It's essentially the thing directly affected or acted upon by the verb. For example, she reads books. Wondering what she reads? That's right, it's books. That makes books our direct object. Now shifting gears to the indirect object. This one answers to whom or for whom. Interestingly, it often appears before the direct object, though not always. Take this example. She gave him a book. Here, him is the indirect object, answering the question, to whom did she give something? And book is the direct object, answering what she gave. Something worth noting is that while some sentences with transitive verbs have both a direct and an indirect object, some might only have one, and others might not have either. A cool trick in identifying direct and indirect objects is by asking these questions. For direct objects, what or whom? For indirect objects, to whom or for whom? One more thing before we wrap it up. If you switch the order of the objects in the sentence, you'll often find you need to add a preposition for clarity. Like in our example, she gave him a book becomes she gave a book to him. See the addition of to? And there you have it, the fascinating world of direct and indirect objects. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a pro at spotting them in a sentence. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language insights.